We connect everyone that is represented here into the healing surge.
When you were talking about ear, I was saying God should signify my own specially. And you said there is a young man.
As a young man, your eardrums was punctured. It was an accident, but it was completely damaged. A brand new eardrum was fixed in that ear. Close it very tight.
It's very tight, and I can hear you very well.
You're the God of awesome wonders. I've tasted of your power. You have shown me.
You get up, whether you get this or that. So I stood up and checked and raised up my legs, raised the other one, raised this. Became free.
Your leg became free. Do it. Wow. You are free.
Your grace, creation.
We are coming to Abia State for a miracle invasion. God has asked us to bring the healing and the miracle power of God to you right there in Abia. I'm inviting all of you from the whole region of Imo State, Abia State, Akwa Ibom State, even territories like Ohofia, Arochukwu, Uturu, Okigwe, Umuahia, Owerri, everywhere, Port Harcourt. I'm inviting you for a night of glory and fire conference in the city of Aba. It's happening from December 10 to 12. Just 3 days, but it's going to change your life. Those 3 days will be hot. It's going to be fire on your city. The city of Aba will shake to its very foundation as God brings divine visitation to every family, businesses, communities, and even the social stratas. I look forward to seeing you, especially on December 10th, which is the night of glory. It's going to start from 7 p.m. all the way till the early hours of the morning. And then, of course, the fire conferences will start that morning by 8 a.m. on Friday and continue on Saturday by 4:30 in the evening. And then the whole event will flow into Sunday. I expect to see you there. Begin to count the days and join us in the prayer mobilization. Join us to expand the advert and let all your friends know about what is coming to Aba. God bless you, God bless you, and bless you. As I expect you that you're going to be one of those with a miracle.